Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Yes, it's Monday. It's sunny out here. I'm so glad we got some sun. I mean, actually, yesterday was not bad for weather-wise here in the North Valley. Last night, I prepared Tuscan white bean soup. All those wonderful ingredients that I showed yesterday come together and just marry and be joyful and very good. I will get the recipe posted up, and we have leftovers, but not a lot of leftovers. I'm not sure if Robin took some to the office today or not, because I kind of had a late night. Chef Mark from Wonderlust gave me a call last night as I was working on some stuff and getting things taken care of in my office, and him and I had coffee. He's back from a 2+ month trip from Asia. He was in Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, and many other places. He had a great time. Got a lot of footage. It was a working trip, not really pleasure. I mean, he had a good time, but it was a working trip. So yeah, him and I got caught up. I didn't get home until about midnight. Yeah, I'm just a little tired this morning. And you can hear I'm still a little congested. I just can't kick this thing. Yeah. So, can't breathe. Today, I'm reading my notes, slow cooked salmon with butter, garlic, capers, and lemon. Super easy recipe. Super easy. If you're scared of preparing, and I saw recently in the group that there are a few of you who are scared to work with raw fish. I guess fish in general. This is super easy. Very easy. So I'm doing the salmon. I'm doing rice pilaf. This rice pilaf recipe I've done before. It's very good. It's simple. Yeah. And I'm doing garlic herb carrots. I've done this recipe before. It's one of our favorites. So let me show you what I got going on over here on the mise en place. Got the hardware going. We're starting with the salmon. It's actually very easy. In that wonderful brown package is 2 very nice salmon fillets. It's Atlantic salmon. The recipe calls for capers, lemon juice, butter, and I'm switching over to the next set because the salt, the pepper, the garlic, and the parsley are actually in all 3 dishes. So the salmon has garlic, it has parsley, but it's a very simple dish. It's actually pretty foolproof on the cooking method. And here in the middle is the rice pilaf. Of course, rice, orzo, some veggie stock, a little bit of olive oil. There'll be some yellow onion. And here in the herb and spices, we have coriander, which I might have to go out and get some because I think I'm out. Garlic powder, onion powder, and some Mexican paprika. This is a foolproof rice pilaf. It's very restaurant worthy. And last is the carrot dish. I'm using frozen carrots. I'm trying this. I've always done it with fresh carrots, but I'm going to go ahead and do this with frozen carrots. It's got butter. It's got a little bit of sugar, shallot, a little bit of red wine vinegar, just a little bit of dill, tarragon, and I have the dried parsley out, but I will be putting, it was there as a placeholder to remind me that there is parsley in the dish as well. You can use fresh herbs in the carrots. Because I find it kind of silly to buy a hunk of dill or tarragon and to only use a tiny little bit of amount where you can actually substitute dry herbs in place. So, because they are interchangeable in most cases, you just have to watch, the amounts. Oh, okay. So that's what I got going on here. So yesterday was the Tuscan white bean soup. Today is the salmon and the bar's pilaf and the wonderful carrots. Yeah, it's a Monday. I need a nap. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.